Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you some materials that we use in the making of our miniature diorama houses. So first I'm going to talk about what we use for the base. So we use this MDF board for the base as it is strong and holds the diorama nicely. Second, we use foam board, and foam board is the most essential material. So we make full structure of the house from foam board. Comes in different sizes and colors. We mainly use 5mm and 3mm. 5mm for structure of the house and 3mm for different small items like window frames, miniature furniture, roads, etc. Now we are going to talk about the third material, and third material is lights. So lighting gives a realistic look to any diorama, and we use two different types of lights mainly. First, this copper string LED light which you can purchase from amazon.com. So this LED light comes in different sizes like 3mm, 10mm, 5mm. Second type of light is this LED light strip. So we use this LED strip light in most of the houses. This light is really amazing and doesn't flicker in even slow-mo or any other video format. So these are two types of lights we use for the lighting in our diorama houses. So now we are going to talk about the fourth material, which is miniature grass, and there are 2-3 types of grasses. The first one is the most realistic miniature grass, and you can buy this from aliexpress.com, and it is amazing and looks very realistic. And then these are other types of grass that we use to make plants and decoration purpose. So these are some materials that we use the most in our miniature dioramas. So I hope you have got some information from this video, and I'll provide all the purchase link in the description of the video from where you can buy these materials. So now I'm going to show you some clips on how we use these materials.